Alright, spice lovers, prepare yourselves, because we are about to embark on a journey that's going to test the very fabric of your taste buds, your courage, and possibly even your sanity. If you've ever wondered, how hot is too hot? Well, grab your fire extinguishers, because we are about to find out in today's video, cooking with the hottest peppers on the planet. You may think you know peppers. You might have handled a jalapeno or even dabbled with a habanero and thought, wow, that's pretty spicy. But trust me, those peppers are mere stepping stones. We are about to dive headfirst into the world of the hottest peppers known to humankind. I am talking peppers so hot they could probably power a small car or cause spontaneous combustion. Now, I know some of you might be shaking in your boots, already planning to run to the nearest fridge to stockpile gallons of milk. You might be saying, look, I am a mild salsa kind of person. I do not need to set my mouth on fire. But before you bolt for the door, let me tell you why this journey into pepper madness is worth it. Cooking with the world's hottest peppers can bring out incredible flavors you didn't even know existed. Yes, it'll set your face aflame, but it'll also set your food aflame in the best way possible. So, what exactly qualifies as the hottest pepper? Well, let me introduce you to some heavyweights in the spicy world. First up, we have the Carolina Reaper. This fiery beast holds the crown as the world's hottest pepper, averaging around 1.6 million Scoville heat units, SHU. To put that in perspective, a jalapeno, the humble little pepper we put on nachos, ranks at about 5,000 SHU. That's like comparing a candle to a flamethrower. One whiff of a Carolina Reaper, and you will question every life choice that brought you to this point. Then, we have the ghost pepper. Just hearing the name is enough to make some people break into a sweat. It is not called the ghost pepper because it is friendly or mysterious, it is because it will haunt you. This pepper clocks in at around 1 million SHU, and it is the kind of heat that builds slowly. You might think, oh, this isn't so bad. And then, bam! It hits you like a spicy freight train. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How on earth do you cook with these peppery powerhouses without requiring an emergency room visit? The first rule of cooking with super hot peppers is to take it easy, start with small quantities. We are not talking toss a handful into the pot here. We are talking about treating it like it is a precious gem, small slivers, a dab here and there. And hey, here's a top tip, if you do not want to go all-out dragon breath with your dish, try removing the seeds and the ribs. This is where a good chunk of the pepper's heat resides. By scooping those out, you can reduce the firepower without sacrificing too much flavor. Now, I know what you are thinking, what about milk? Isn't that the universal firefighter of the pepper world? Well, yes, but the real trick here is cooking with milk, cream, or cheese, yes. Cheese. Peppers and cheese are like a spicy romance novel just waiting to happen. The fat in dairy products helps balance out the heat, taming those aggressive peppers so you get the bold flavors without the burn. Think spicy queso, pepper-infused mac and cheese, or even a dollop of sour cream to cool things down. And you know what's fun? There is a science to this. When you bite into a hot pepper, it is not the heat that's real, it is actually a compound called capsaicin that binds to receptors in your mouth and tricks your brain into thinking there is a fire. So technically, nothing is on fire, but tell that to your tear ducts and the bead of sweat forming on your forehead. It is like your mouth is a stage, and capsaicin is putting on the greatest one-pepper show ever. Feeling brave yet? Because there is an entire world of spicy recipes to explore. If you are ready to take the plunge, try a Carolina Reaper hot sauce. But remember, a little dab will do you. Or if you are feeling a tad less adventurous, whip up a ghost pepper chili. Just be prepared for a flavor journey that may or may not involve involuntary hiccuping, crying, or calling your mother to tell her you love her. And if you are a little scared, there is no shame in that. Embrace the spice in your own way. Maybe a ghost pepper salsa is more your speed. You can still brag to your friends, yeah, I cooked with a ghost pepper. Just do not mention that you only used one tiny piece in the entire dish. Now, if you are seriously daring, consider growing your own hot peppers. Imagine having a Carolina Reaper plant on your windowsill, a personal little spice arsenal. Not only does it make a great conversation starter, oh that's just my deadly pepper plant, but it also gives you fresh peppers on demand. Just remember, these plants need plenty of sunshine and respect. Treat them well, and they'll reward you with peppers that could probably double as self-defense weapons. And remember, no pepper journey would be complete without sharing the experience. I want to hear from you. Did you survive the Ghost Pepper Challenge? Did you tackle the Carolina Reaper? Or did you just dip your toe in the fiery waters of habanero? Leave a comment with your pepper tales, your spicy triumphs, and any dishes that made you question your life choices. So there you have it, Spice Warriors. The world of hot peppers awaits. Whether you are here for the challenge, the flavor, or just a good laugh, cooking with the hottest peppers is an experience like no other. So grab some gloves, trust me, you will need them, fire up the stove, and let's make some peppery magic. And hey, if you want more spicy content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Because here at Cook Pros, we believe that food should be fun, flavorful, and just a little bit fiery. So, until next time, stay spicy, keep cooking, and remember, no matter how hot it gets, there is always a glass of milk waiting to save the day.